Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Bobbi and we're not normally in here. We're in my room, kind of by my kitchen, or not kitchen, child, I'm losing my mind, okay, but we're up in here in my bathroom area. But today I kind of just wanted to jump on here and kind of show you guys a little bit of what I do for my like self-care Sunday, like, or working on yourself Wednesday or whatever. Today just so happens to be Thursday, but it's my first day off, and normally either on my first day or my second day off I like to do something for myself, like literally just take care of myself, take care of my skin, take care of my body. So I'm gonna walk you guys through that process, and it takes like a few hours if I don't get interrupted. My son is downstairs, you know, because the, you know, distance learning and all of that, and my fur baby, he's over here. That's my bed, but we're gonna disregard that. So today, the first thing that we're gonna do today, which is like one of the longer things that I do, I'm gonna use this mask. Now this is the Ancient Healing Clay mask, kind of like the Aztec healing mask, that I have a video that I did on it, and it really helps clear out your pores like nobody's business. Basically, the main ingredient in here is the bentonite clay. That's what I really was looking for. This is Ulta's brand. The Aztec Healing Clay mask that I did the review on, that is Target's brand that they sell of it, I guess. So I keep this up here in my bathroom area, and I also keep this up here. This is the Bragg apple cider vinegar with the mother in it, and you'll know it's with the mother because it will have all of that goodness down there in the bottom. I mixed those two things. You can mix the clay mask with water or with the apple cider vinegar, but I feel like it works a lot better for me personally with the apple cider vinegar. So I have this in kind of a paste-like consistency, so let's slap it on my face, okay? Okay, now that I look like the Wicked Witch of the West, I am going to take these, which are just generic whitening strips that I get from the mall or the Walmart, child. They're like 18, 20, or they're around $20. Let me open them. And this is how I drink coffee every single day, and I still smoke weed, guys. So like, smoking and drinking coffee every single day is going to make your teeth look kind of buttery, but see, mine don't look buttery. So these are how I do it. They have a longer strip for your top row and then a shorter strip for your bottom row. So I'm gonna put these in really quickly, kind of like you have a retainer in. Not that I would know anything about having a retainer, child, because I never had braces or anything like that. Give me a second. I'm going to show you what I am going to do while this is like working, because it's going to take about 30 minutes for both of these things to be done. So I don't do this every single day. I do it maybe once a week, and it keeps my smile nice and white. But hold on a second and I'll show you exactly what we're going to do here in a second. Okay, so right here I have my little machine. This is my cavitation machine, and I know you can't see the words very well. There it is. Okay. Guys, this is my cavitation machine, okay? Now this machine, basically I press enter, I press what I'm gonna do. It already has 30 minutes on there, which you guys cannot see. Okay, has 30 minutes on here, and I have been doing this for a while, so I go ahead and turn it like that. I turn this on. I already have the conductive gel on my stomach. Okay guys, so I am done with the mask, with the cavitation, and with the teeth whitening. So my teeth are not going to be super white, like noticeably whiter, until tomorrow. For some reason, like that's just how that brand works. I don't know. So we're gonna do the next few steps in my skincare, but right before I do that, I want to let you guys know that if you guys have any questions or want me to do a whole video on my cavitation, like a demo, or maybe just like some results, like before and after kind of results or something like that, let me know, because the before and after results might take a while, but I can do like a demo and that could go up like soon or whatever, because you know, your body, with that, your body has to like flush out the stuff that it's working through. It's kind of hard to explain, but if you guys want a whole video on what I just showed you with the cavitation machine, because basically it's for fat loss and skin tightening. So if you would like that, then let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, let's go ahead and get started on the other stuff. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, and when I was in the shower, after I washed off the face mask, I did go ahead and go in with this. This is the foaming facial cleanser, and this is a generic version of, what is it, the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. So I use this. My face is pretty red from that mask, but we're gonna ignore that, right? Okay, now I am going to go in with this bad boy right here. I mentioned this in my fall favorites videos. I haven't used it all year, but this is one of my favorite skincare products. It's the Bliss, that's Incredipeel. So I'm going to use it right now. Basically, this is how I use it. These have 10% glycolic acid in it, which is a kind of chemical peel. So they're in these little pads right here. I leave them folded over, but I guess you could unfold them if you wanted to. And I do my cheeks first in an upward and outward kind of circular motion, except for like hard areas, you know, like my upper lip and stuff like that. I keep it far away. You know, see my dark circle right here? I don't go onto my dark circle. So I keep this away from my eyes because, like I said, it's an acid. Basically what this does, it chemically gets rid of all of your like dead skin cells, the extra ones that are just sitting on the surface of your skin, making your skin all dull. So we go ahead and get rid of that. Moving along. I am going to use this nice thick moisturizer right here, and this is the Equate Beauties compared to the Cetaphil lotion. This is for sensitive and dry skin, and I like this stuff a lot. I use it a lot after I use the chemical, those little Bliss peels, and after I do use a chemical peel, I'll put that on like 2 or 3 times a day. I also like putting this on my hands just because, and rubbing it down my neck just to get excess moisture nice and rubbed in. This I do bring onto my eyes, and it does not irritate my eyes personally. So I always bring most of my skincare except for the Bliss pads down my neck. So you guys are gonna see that, and don't be alarmed. I do that all the time because I don't want a crepey neck or anything like that when I get older, okay? And you're gonna see me like rubbing it onto my hands because let me tell you, for somebody who works partially inside, partially outside, and does a lot of paperwork, I hope y'all know doing paperwork makes your hands mighty dry. but for sure, my hands are pretty soft. You better ask somebody. Anyways, while I am at it, I'm going to use the Ordinary's The Buffet, and I'm going to put that also all around my face. Basically what I do after this is I grab this. This is the Lower Eye Gel, and I love an eye gel, okay? I bought this off of Amazon just to try it, and I like it a lot better than a cream. And some people don't necessarily believe in eye creams, but you know what? I do. So I think I'm trying to do everything I can, though, also to not age. I'm doing everything I can to not age. So I put this on the top of my eyelid, because who doesn't need a droopy, crepey eyelids is myself. I also microneedle a little bit on my eyelids, so that's why I haven't been uploading very many eyeshadow tutorials or anything like that, because I want to make sure everything is healed from the microneedling. So also, if you guys would like a microneedling video, let me know in the description box below. So basically that is what I do for like my self-care Sunday, my work on myself Wednesday, and my just so happen to be a day off Thursday. The last thing that I do, I really love this one. I have the AOA one that I mentioned in my favorites video, but I have this one. It's the New Body Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. And child, let me tell you, this stuff smells really, really good. It smells like a Hawaiian dream. Okay guys, so that is my tutorial. This is really more just like a girly chit chat, like let's spend some time together and take care of our skin together and just chat. So if you feel like it, you can just chat with me or something in the comments down below. I would love that. I have my good amount of new subscribers, so hi guys, thank you so much for subscribing. And for everybody who has been here, my ride or dies, thank you guys so much. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.